Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create this Kylie Jenner's look. I think this look she did on her last birthday. I really love the look. Like really turned out very nice. If you want to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So as usual, starting with the moisturizer, I'm using Clinique Surge Moisturizer. Just applying it on my face. And for the primer, I'm using Becca primer today. It's the illuminating primer. It has a kind of glow to it. Just applying all over my face. I'm concentrating on my T-zone. Now time for the brows. So for the brows, I'm using my MAC eyebrow gel cream. This is a kind of cream based product. This is really nice. I'm using this angular brush and I'm going to start my brows with this product. Just outlining over to my brows and filling it inside with this cream. This is my favorite product. It's really nice. By the way, this is in the color Deep Dark Brunt, which is perfect for my eyebrows. Just filling it in quickly. Look at the difference on the both of the eyebrows. So I'm going to do the same process to my other eyebrow. I'm just filling it in quickly. I want to make my eyebrows very neat and clean because you know Kylie, she has very sharp eyebrows. So for this I'm using concealer with the flat brush. Just applying on the top of my eyebrows and underneath my brows. So this will give you a very nice sharp as well to your eyebrows, and your eyebrows will look so nice and clean. I'm applying the same concealer for my eye primer as well. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, by the way. Just doing the same thing to my other eyebrow. Now I'm setting my eyelid with the loose powder. Here I'm using a Maybelline long lasting loose powder. And for the eyeshadow I'm using Jamescharles Morphe palette. So I'm going to start my eyeshadow with this dark green color and applying it with the crease brush all over my crease. I'm just using the circular motion inwards upwards onto my crease and building my crease in. Now I'm doing the same to my other eye. I'm just building the crease with that dark green color because she has like very intense dark green color on her eye area, on the crease area. So I'm just applying the same. Now for the cut crease, I'm using my concealer and the flat brush as well. I'm just cutting my crease just like that. And now I'm looking up so that I know where my crease will finish. This is the most easy way to do cut crease. So I cut that crease for that eye and now I'm doing the other eye. I'm doing the same process. I'm using the concealer and after cutting the crease I will look up so that I will get to know where my crease will finish. After cutting the crease, I feel like I need more dark green color over the crease area because it will look a little bit fade away. So I'm just putting it more. Now I'm using the powder where I cut the crease just to set the concealer. Both of the eyes. Now I'm using this light green color from the palette and applying all over my cut crease area. Just applying with the flat brush. You can use any brush. I feel like this one is the more easiest way to apply. So I'm doing the same to my other eye. Here I'm applying one more coat of that light green color. Now I'm using this shimmery color from the palette and applying where I applied the light green color, just on the top of it. Kylie has like a gold shimmery color. Like I think she has the pigment. I don't have the gold pigment. So I'm just using this shimmery color on the top. Now I'm wiping out all the excess of the eyeshadows on my cheeks. I'm just cleaning it quickly. Kylie has a very dramatic wing liner for this look. So I'm just using my Rimmel liquid liner to create that dramatic wing. Now I'm making a wing for other eye. Now for the color corrector, I'm using my Stila palette and using peach shade from the palette and applying wherever I feel like I have dark circles. Now moving on to the foundation, I'm using my Nars Radiant Longwear foundation. Just applying onto my face. Now I'm using my damp beauty sponge and doing the pressing technique with my foundation and applying all over my face. To set the foundation, I'm using my MAC setting powder. I'm just applying all over my face to set the foundation. And for the under eye, I'm using my Maybelline Long Lasting Fit Me loose powder. Now I put the eyelashes on off camera and using this hot pink color from the palette. She has a hot pink color on her lower lash line. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just applying it with this angular brush on my lower lash line. It actually looks great with green eyes. Really looks nice. Now for the contouring, I'm using Nepolean Perdis contour. I'm just using on my usual area, on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my jawline. Now I'm just going to blend it out my contour with this angular brush. And for the nose contour, I always use this angular brush. I'm just applying the powder on my nose just to sharpen it up and using my powder technique. Using it, the loose powder underneath my contour to make it more sharp and make it more sharp my nose contour. So I'm using powder over there as well. While the powder is baking, I'm using this glittery color. It's a gold kind of glitter color to highlight my brow bone area and inner corner of my eye. Now baking is done, so I'm wiping it out all the powder, excess of the powder from my face. I'm using here the big fluffy brush to wipe out. And for the blush, I'm using Too Faced blush palette and using this pinky hot pink color right here because she has very hot pink blush. I don't have that kind of hot pink, but still it's very pinky. So I'm applying here 2 to 3 coat of those blush because she has a very blushy hot pinky color. So I just use 2 or 3 times that blush. And now my favorite part, highlighter. So I'm using here MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter. With this brush, I'm using it on my cheekbones, on my tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, my cupid boy, and my chin as well. For the lips, she has brown color lip liner. It feels like she has brown color lip liner and pinky glossy lips. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just applying this brown lip liner. And now for the lips, I'm using this Revlon lipstick, which is in the shade Dusty Pink. I'm using this L'Oreal lipstick on the top and applying the lip gloss as well because she has very shiny lips. So I'm just applying the lip gloss on the top. And this is the final look. This green cut crease with dramatic eyeliner. It feels like she has a golden pigment on the top, but I just like the way it is. I really like it. I hope you guys will like it too. If you do like it, then please subscribe to my channel. I really hope you will love it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.